She's loving it. Yeah, here we go. First corner of the day. Oh, he's going for it! He's going for the goal! Oh my gosh! That was a quick one! He takes advantage of it! Oh my goodness! Breakaway! Yeah. Oh, SpongeBob.
You want some gloves?
He's goaltending. Oh, actually passes. This is unusual. Oh, we respect the boundaries when we play soccer.
Patrick.
Oh, it's Rizzo!
Grab a penny.
Is it King Reza or Prince Reza? I think they're both named Reza. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm just mingling with the I'm not gonna get the ball. I don't know how to dribble. Look at him go. Okay. He's like, let's redo this. Oh! Oh, what? Wait a minute, he just goes for it. Damn, Ricken is a wall!
Good job, Ricken. Fuck.
Ricken, you're a killer!
We're on the same team, right? Yeah, you're orange. Yeah, I kicked it to you.
No, they had a handball by Kim first.
Yeah.
I said, fuck it, let's play. And then
Okay.
he did a handball.
He did a handball for real. I had like an arm ball. I think hand.
Oh, sorry. Maybe do.
So that's another
We
corner?
like to call it every
A corner.
It's just a waste of time.
If it's intentional, then
Sorry, bro.
Oh. Look at him go. He's just,
Go.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh.
Good job.
Yeah, go for it. Oh my goodness. Oh, we gotta take advantage of the sloppiness. Oi. Oh, I brought extra shoes.
Offsides though, wasn't it?
No, we had you right in front of us. Yeah, let's call offsides for fun.
Renee, whatever. Call him. I was watching that too. It wasn't me.
What's that?
It wasn't me.
It wasn't you. Am I Shaggy?
Oh, the real Thomas is getting his shoes on. It's gonna be a demon. Yeah.
Have the superpowers on the other side.
Reza, put on the penny.
Got Patrick.
How does she do it? How does she move? She changed directions! Whoa! Whoa! Elbow! You hurt me on my elbow! It's a corner! It nicked out on me! Oh, my elbow, that sucked.
Good, so good.
I should just catch him with my hand.
Don't tell Ricken.
If you can see the ball, there's no poison ivy. Yeah. Should I just like cut these shrubs? Should I?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Management.
the people to go right to the fence and just take everything out.
I know. Yeah.
I mean, if they'd known it all along, this probably wouldn't have been a problem, right?
Oh, so those are not supposed to be there. They just overgrow.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it.
It's to be a softball field, so.
Okay. So management has been lacking the maintenance.
I'm probably blaming them and asking them to help probably doesn't work together.
In one report. Oh, his shoes, his feet are too big for the shoes.
I couldn't fit into Reza's shoes. He's size 10.
Oh. Another corner. See how it's like a gentleman's sport? We just stand around, chit chat while the ball's being handled. Like there's no time to, you know, stand still in frisbee. Soccer is luxurious. Thomas has the header. He's got the height. Oh, the mighty one's got the header. He's clearing it. She's throwing it in. You got Riza.
Good job.
Oh my goodness. Woo! Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Good job. Slow down. Come on, Ricky.
Ah. No. What? Why does he have to do that? Honestly.
Good job.
Damn, Rinkin is a goalie.
Sharing means caring, Tom.
Yeah, you gotta kick it backwards to your teammates
Sharing means caring.
and have it intercepted along the way. I put a camera on.
Is it working?
Is it red? Is it red?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
red.
it's
It is.
recording. Yeah.
So I have to play seriously.
You gotta look super sharp. Oh. Clear it out, clear it out. Wow, he just takes it away. Oh, he's tossing it in. He's still warming up. Oh, you know he's gonna be serious when he's just warming up.
It's important to be warm.
Ooh.
Corner.
Still, corner. Ugh. You goals are nice and wide apart, huh? I like that. Less running. Real Thomas! Oh, the goal is incredible!
Sorry.
Oh, throw in.
James.
Okay, you got it. Oh, oh,
Good pass.
That was a thing of beauty, right?
oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Might as well give some pressure.
That's caring, Tom.
It's just so annoying.
Who's your bubble senior? Oh, very nice.
Hey,
Wait. Go. Ah, nice one.
Nice.
Right here.
Oh! No way! No chance!
Yes, chance, baby.
Well, look.
Good. He's gonna be dead balls.
Oh. Got some trick plays. Hang on.
Oh, God. Oh, good stuff.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, oh,
Okay.
oh.
Okay. You're too tall, man. I don't think you are,
It's
son.
vicious.
Oi.
Oh no.
Between his legs, yeah.
Oh, that head is beautiful. Jesus! What is that deal? Ah, shit.
Make it. Got it.
Wow.
Just. Yep.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Got it.
oh.
Actually, you can throw it up. I just suck at throwing. All right.
Good one.
Come on, Richard.
Oh, come on, Kim. Renee. Offsides, offsides.
Could be wrong. I don't know.
We hit it back.